He was thrilled to see our excitement and agreed to sell it to us, knowing we'd breathe new life into it. Driving back with that Corvette on the trailer felt like we'd won the lottery. But more than that, it was the adventure, the camaraderie, and the shared passion that made it unforgettable. We spent months restoring that Stingray, turning it into a masterpiece. Every time I see it, I'm reminded of that incredible day and the bond it strengthened between two friends with a shared love for classic Corvettes.